Hi there, Chris here. This is a finish up video on these Schlage padlocks that I got, and they're almost zero. They came almost zero bitted, and you can remove the core if you pull this pin. We found out, if you refer back to a couple earlier videos, you pull the pin and it still wouldn't come out, but there was a burr holding this little plate in there, and I drilled a slightly larger hole and was able to wedge this out and then re-key the cylinder. And so this is what I re-keyed with. I then put the pin back and smoothed it out, and it was too shiny, and people said, hey, I think Paul said give it a couple of passes with 80 grit or 100 grit. I had some 100, so I did a couple of shots there to match this. And I think once this weathers down and it's not so shiny, it'll look just like this. So that's the bitting. Works great. I went ahead and stamped the bitting on here. Something you never want to do with your house key or a key that you're going to use with a lock, because anybody can read that code and go get a key made. But in this case, it's just this, practice lock. That's kind of handy because I have 4 of these, so I can keep the keys straight, I think. So we'll see if I can pick it. I put in spools and barrel pins to make it a tougher pick. And I can't remember if I've picked this yet or not. So we'll see what's going on. You can hear Suki in the background saying, come on, feed me breakfast for the 4th time. So at about this time, when it was with the original pins, I'd be in. So far, it's being harder to pick. Something's getting me. Ouch. This corner's kind of sharp. All right, let's go back. Yeah, that corner is sharp. He's a Sharpie. So I'm using light tension to kind of get past some of those spools and barrel pins that hang up. Crunchy, crunchy. I don't think I put any serrated pins in here. I can't remember. Oh, there's also a T-pin, and I think that's in the back, in the 5 spot. Yeah, I just hit that. I'm into something. It's got to be a spool, I think. Or maybe it is that T-pin. Maybe that's the key here. Somebody's hanging us up. Well, shoot. Made it too hard, huh, Sook? Yeah. All right, there we go. Thank you, Suki. I needed that. So, youch. Smooth that corner off. Anyway, so I think it turned out really well. Once that weathers down, I don't think you could tell. So, once again, don't show your keys around if they have this. Actually record it somewhere and scrape it off, sand it off, use a Dremel, do something. Because all anyone have to do is glance at that, write it down, after they turn their back, and go have a key cut. Because it's just, an SC1. You go to the locksmith, say, give me an SC1 with a 35262. Boom, bingo, bango, bongo, they're in your loco. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and commenting, and we will see you next time.